Hello, Katherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. In this video, 4 ways to detox your kidneys naturally and fast that are supported by science. You are probably already aware that the buildup of toxins, acid or scores is harmful to your kidneys. The bright side is that understanding and treating this issue is, in my direct experience, a very fast way of telling your kidneys never to give up on you. And with the very easy tips of today's video, you will be able to support your kidneys' natural way of removing toxins. So let's start immediately. Tip number 4. Take advantage of these home remedies. First, there is apple cider vinegar. Wow! Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries to detox the kidneys, boost the immune system, and improve whole body health. It is extremely popular in the natural health community for several reasons. It can help with diabetes, some types of cancer, high cholesterol, weight loss, and urinary tract problems. Now, the reason why I'm recommending apple cider vinegar is because it also has powerful detoxing properties and you only need to incorporate it into your meals to get all these benefits. And also consider milk thistle. This plant has been used by medical herbalists since the late 19th century to treat kidney disorders. Silimarin, the active compound of milk thistle, can help regenerating and repairing DNA and protein enzymes in damaged kidney cells. And scientists think this creates a detoxifying effect, which is why milk thistle may be beneficial for kidney problems. You can find it as a supplement on Amazon.com and recommended dosage is 400 to 500 milligrams of extract per day. But always remember to consult your doctor before using herbal remedies even if they're safe, like milk thistle. Also consider horsetail. This herb contains a very potent antioxidant that works especially well to reduce damage done by oxidation and to prevent the accumulation of free radicals in the kidneys. Some researchers think that the plant's possible health benefits may be due to a mineral called silica, which also has gentle diuretic properties. Horsetail is great to make a tea. And also peppermint leaves. The plant is thought to have a powerful nephroprotective effect according to studies. Scientists think that detoxing effects may indeed be attributable to the free radical scavenging antioxidant activities of peppermint. Great to protect the kidneys. Now, if you want to know more how to make a tea with these 2 last ingredients, watch this video up here. Question: will these tips really help? I want to answer with a comment I read today because it gave me hope. Something good happened with my kidneys finally, since my immune system went haywire and attacked and damaged my kidneys in 2012. I've been in a kidney function free fall. In 2019, they sent me to prepare in a dialysis center. Scary. That year, I decided to follow all the info I found on Katherine channel. In about 6 weeks, I was cheerfully surprised to find a few urine tests that were in the mid-range on the creatinine. Last time my creatinine level was at 3.2, just high enough to feel normal. When God answers prayer, it's not via telegram from heaven. It's a lot more subtle. With that said, the cleanse of this video helped me a lot, along with everything else I'm doing. Oh, thank you very much for sharing your story. This is a very inspiring message for all of us. Thank you. So, if you ask me if these tips are going to help, my answer is yes. I've met many people with kidney problems, and when they started to follow a healthier diet and lifestyle, the results have been surprising in so many cases. and herbal remedies are a great way to help our kidneys naturally. However, the foods you eat are even more important. Food truly is the best medicine, but you need to know exactly what to eat. So our number 3 today is eat more naturally detoxing foods. Because while certain foods may trigger chronic health conditions, others offer strong medicinal and protective qualities. Some of the best foods to detox your kidneys, also very low in potassium, include asparagus. Oh, this succulent, savory vegetable contains a stimulating blend of nutrients that help boost energy, cleanse the urinary tract, and neutralize excess ammonia. Great for the health of your kidneys. And asparagus can also act as a natural diuretic, according to several studies. So it's a food that actually detoxes your body. And onion. Oh, this powerful superfood is one of the best sources of sulfur. Sulfur helps to facilitate that detoxification process in our bodies by removing toxins and heavy metals like cadmium. Also, beetroot. Wow, beetroot is gaining popularity as a blood cleansing and purifying food thanks to its incredible properties. Beetroot serves as a natural blood cleaner. It's able to help the body detox and cleanse the blood of heavy metals, toxins, and waste due to its compounds called glutathione. What's more, research shows that eating this superfood regularly is going to help lowering your blood pressure too. And also consider collard greens. Collard greens are rich in sulfur, containing compounds that support your body's detoxification process. And collard greens may also lower your risk of breast, colon, and lung cancers due to a compound called indole-3-carbinol. They're also lower in potassium than many other greens. Even better, cabbage. Many celebs have resorted to the cabbage soup diet to help lose weight and get in shape quickly before a big event. However, cabbage is not only good for weight loss, it is also an excellent detoxifying food. Cabbage contains a chemical called sulforaphane, which helps the body fight against toxins. And if you want to know more about foods that help your kidneys, this playlist up here may interest you. You will find lots of interesting choices to make your menus both healthier and more appetizing. Now, what could be even better than detoxing foods to help your kidneys get rid of toxins naturally? Number 2, drink more water. If you want to keep your kidneys free from toxins, drinking enough water is key. Water has so many roles in your body, and it also allows your body's detoxification system to remove waste products from your blood. Your kidneys won't work well without enough water. This is why when people don't drink enough water, they are more likely to have kidney problems. Others drink too much water, and this too, as incredible as it may seem, can cause troubles with the kidneys. Now, a common question in a kidney clinic is, how much water should I drink? Well, you don't need to drink 30 cups of water per day. This won't detox your kidneys any faster, and it may even cause you to lose sleep due to all those nighttime bathroom trips. General guidelines tell us to drink approximately between 8 to 13 cups of fluid daily, or 2 to 3 liters. Obviously, this doesn't apply to patients with end-stage renal disease. If your doctor gives you a water allowance, please follow those guidelines. Now, if we think about 13 cups or even 8 cups of water, well, that's a lot more than many people drink during the day. But you need to drink enough if you want to help your kidneys. So here are some simple ways to drink more water. Keep a reusable water bottle with you. Keeping a water bottle with you throughout the day can help you drink more water. When you have a reusable water bottle, you can easily drink water in any setting, whether you're running errands, traveling, or at home or at work. And you can also set reminders to drink more water using an app or the alarm on your smartphone or smartwatch. For example, try setting a reminder to take a few sips of water every 30 minutes, or set a reminder to finish drinking your current glass of water and refill it every hour. This is especially useful for people that are always too busy. Drink 1 glass of water before each meal and 1 after you wake up. A glass of cold water in the morning may help wake you up and boost your alertness. Another simple way to increase your water intake is to make a habit of drinking 1 glass of water before each meal. If you eat 3 meals per day, this adds an extra 3 cups to your daily water intake. And also, drink 1 glass of water per hour at work. If you work a standard 8-hour workday, just drinking a glass of water each hour adds up to 8 cups or almost 2 liters. If you follow these very easy tips, getting enough water during the day will be much easier and your kidneys will be happier. Okay, don't go away yet. There is the number 1 way of detoxing the kidneys naturally to see. Because while getting rid of toxins is important, there is something that burdens your kidneys even more. Excess acid. Fact: keeping the right acid-alkaline balance is surprisingly difficult for people with kidney disease. This happens because healthy kidneys are usually going to be able to efficiently regulate your blood pH level or acid concentration by removing the excess acid you get from what you eat. But when you have kidney disease, it's more difficult for your kidneys to remove all this extra acid from your blood. This is why creating a more alkaline environment is the number 1 way to help your kidneys detox naturally. To do so, you need to focus on eating more alkaline foods and less acidic foods. And it may be a lot easier than you think. If we take a look at this table, it's easy to notice that alkaline forming foods are usually those considered healthier. Most vegetables are alkaline, as are most fruits, soy products, and some nuts: cucumbers, pineapple, eggplant, grapes, lemons, pears, beets, radish. These are really alkaline and healthy. You know, what usually confuses people most when it comes to alkaline foods is the taste. But if a food tastes acidic, it doesn't mean it has an acid forming effect on the body. Some very noticeable examples include lemons and kiwis, both very alkaline. So, get into the habit of adding lemon to everything: salads, juices, tea, you name it. And also, use spices. Use spices abundantly. Not only to make everything taste better without salt, but also because they are alkaline. Next tip: introduce simple green vegetable smoothies to your diet. I made an interesting smoothie recipe you can try. It's up here. And limit or completely avoid meat. This is also great to limit your protein intake. Also, when it comes to acidic foods, sugary beverages are on top of the list. Avoid them completely. And most of all, eat a lot of greens vegetables. Almost all greens are alkaline forming. Now, when it comes to keeping the acid-alkaline balance under control, baking soda can really help. It will neutralize the excess of acid in the body and detox the kidneys. When properly used, baking soda can make your body more alkaline, can lower your serum potassium levels, and can help even patients slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease. But you need to be very accurate with the dosage and to get tested for CO2 levels regularly. I made a full video to explain how this works, which I really recommend watching if you are not taking baking soda yet. It's up here. Okay guys, the new video is coming next Tuesday as usual. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for